You can have great organic traffic, a well-designed website, and rank highly on a traditional search engine. But when a customer asks an AI assistant to recommend a business in your exact category, the algorithm might return a completely blank stare. If your website doesn't give AI agents the specific data formats they require, they will bypass you entirely. Instead, they will actively recommend your direct competitors to customers who are ready to make a purchase right now. This chart shows an actual timeline of a business's AI visibility over 1 week. By making precise technical adjustments, a business can go from 0 mentions across 8 target queries on day 1 to the #1 recommended position by the 7th day. Before we start the process, you need 3 things ready: administrative access to your website CMS, control over your Google Business Profile, and a list of core services. Human readers respond to persuasive writing, but AI agents process information by extracting structured, machine-readable facts. Optimizing your site for these new parameters is a process called AI Engine Optimization, or AEO. Here are the exact steps to do it. Step 1. Long before an AI crawler attempts to read the visible text or evaluate the design of your site, it scans the hidden backend code to identify exactly what your business is. We start by adding a block of code called Local Business JSON LD Schema directly into the website's header. This provides a direct translation of your business details into a language the AI can instantly parse. Inside this code block, we only provide objective data. We list explicit service descriptions, the exact geographic area served, opening hours, and contact information. We strip out all marketing adjectives, give the AI the raw facts it needs to answer a user's prompt. Step 2 targets your meta descriptions. Many websites waste this space with vague taglines like, "Your trusted partner for all your needs." We need to rewrite these into dry, encyclopedic entries, such as Independent Vehicle Valuation Service providing reports within 48 hours. These meta descriptions are among the absolute first signals an AI agent reads when evaluating a page. If the description is packed with brand positioning instead of concrete details, the crawler will struggle to categorize your services. By fixing your schema and meta descriptions, you eliminate the guesswork. These clean, factual backend signals create a reliable foundation of trust before the bot even begins reading your main content. Now we look at the visible front end of the website. Your on-page text now has to serve 2 distinct audiences simultaneously: human readers browsing your site and AI extractors trying to pull direct answers. Step 3 is building a dedicated FAQ page. We write concise answers, between 60 and 120 words, that name the business and state the service details. Then, we wrap these question and answer pairs in FAQ schema code so the bots know exactly how to read them. The phrasing here requires precision. Avoid traditional keyword stuffing. You need to write the questions exactly how a person naturally types a prompt into a conversational AI assistant, like, "How do I get an insurance valuation for a vehicle in New Zealand?" Step 4 is the Content Clarity Pass. For every major service page, we restructure the text so a concise, factual summary sits right at the top, and the descriptive brand copy is moved lower down the page. This new leading paragraph must state exactly what your business does, who your target audience is, and your specific geographic operating area. Vague language like serving customers nationwide needs to become specific, like operating across all 16 regions of New Zealand. You do not have to delete your brand voice, it simply shifts down. Humans will naturally scroll down the page and read your brand messaging, but the AI gets the concrete facts it needs right away. Putting the hard facts first reduces the processing effort required for an AI agent to parse your page and pull your data into its final answer. With the website optimized, we look off-site. AI recommendation engines do not rely on your website alone. They actively cross-reference external platforms to verify that your business is legitimate. Step 5 requires consolidating your third-party presence. Ensure your business name, address, and phone number are strictly consistent across all relevant industry directories. Your Google Business Profile must be completely filled out. Enter data into every single available field, from hours of operation to specific service categories, so that it perfectly matches the new structured data we placed on your website. Step 6 is the accessibility check. you need to verify your website's robots.txt file to ensure AI crawlers actually have permission to read your pages. If your hosting setup or security plugins are accidentally blocking AI bots behind capture walls, none of the optimizations we just completed will work. You need to explicitly allow the user agents for the major AI platforms. Check your settings to permit GPTbot, PerplexityBot, ClaudeBot, and Google Extended to crawl your content without restriction. When AI agents have unrestricted technical access to read your site and they find consistent off-site data to verify your claims, they gain the confidence necessary to recommend your business. The optimization checklist is complete and your changes are live, but you need to set the right expectations. Do not look for instantaneous results. The algorithms require time to complete their recrawl cycles, process the new data you've provided, and update their internal ranking models. On days 1 and 2, you will likely see no change. By day 4, the structured data kicks in and you'll start appearing as a valid option alongside competitors. By day 7, the complete package lands, positioning you as the top recommended choice. Before you apply these fixes, you need to know exactly where you currently stand. Run a free baseline diagnostic scan at agenticlens.io to capture your starting AI visibility score and see exactly which queries find you and which ones don't. Traditional search optimization is often a slow war of attrition. By giving AI algorithms exactly the machine-readable truth they demand, you capture the top recommendations in just a few days.